Okay, so hello. We're going to do like checkpoint exams, and this is paper one, 2015, October. Okay, let's see the first question, and we go and we start and hit it. Question number one is write the missing numbers. Like you've got 67 plus a missing number is equal to 100. Remember, because paper one, we do it without a scientific calculator, so we need to understand how we solve such a type of questions without using a scientific calculator. You can use mental math, okay, to help you to do so. Like what? Like I said, 67 plus 3, give me 70. And then 70 plus 30, give me 100. Okay, so 70, like when you say so, you could say 3 and 30 is going to give you 33. Otherwise, you can go and put just them under each other, like 100 minus 67. Okay, then you say 0 minus 7, it will not be, then you borrow 1 from this 1. This one will be 0. This 0 will be 10. When you take from it 1, it's going to be 9. And this will be 10. 10 minus 7 is equal to 3. And this will be what? Will be 9 minus 6 is going to be also is equal to 3. So this is your answer, it's 33. Going to the second question is 650 plus a number is equal to 1,000. With the same idea I've told you, like you can do, follow the mental math. Like 650 plus 50 give you 700. And 700 plus 300 give you 1,000. That means 350. Or you could just go and do the subtraction, which is equals to 1,000 minus 650. Okay? And then when you are doing such a method, or you could do what? Just 0 minus 0 is equals to a 0. And then you say 0 minus 5, it cannot be, you borrow 1 from this, and this one will be 0, this will be 9, and this one will be 10. Then it will be 10 minus 5 is equals to 5, and this is 9 minus 6 is going to be equal to 3. So whenever we're asking you question number 3, double 76, when you're doubling a number, either you multiply it by 2 or you add it to itself. Then if you'd like to multiply by 2, multiply by 2. 2 multiplied 6 is equal to 12. 2 and you carry over 1. And then 2 multiplied 7 is equal to 14 plus the one that you carry over is equal to 15, 152. Or you can add it to itself. We are running fast over these questions because they are easy. Let's go to question number 3. They say complete the calculations. You have 376 multiplied 10 equal. We know when we multiply by 10, we write the same number and we just put 0 in addition. Just put 0, like it's equal to 376, and you put the 0 when you multiply by 10. Then number B, you have got 480. Mean a number divide 10 is equal to 48. When you divide by 10, you take a 0 out. That means the number should be 480. Okay, because here you have a number without decimal point. If it's decimal point, you move decimal point to the right. Let's see the question. They say this is a part of a calendar of May. They say Graham's birthday is on the 26th of May. What day of the week is his birthday? You have got many different options to solve such a type of question. Number one, it is you could do this like what? You say this is 1, okay, and then you can go and continue like with the same idea, like numbering. Like this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You could say this is 7, okay, and then you can continue with the same idea, like numbering them. You could say this is what? This is 7, and then it's 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You go down for sure. 12, then this is 13. This is 14. This is 15. This is 16. This is 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. You'll find the 26, it's on Saturday. Some people, they do this, and this is actually like takes time and takes long time. Other people, they say what? The birthday, it's on the 26th. 26 divide 7. 26 divide 7 is equals to what? 26 divide 7 is equals to 3 by 21 and remainder 5. I know after every 7 days, the same days come. So you don't need the 3. You need the remainder. So your number will be what? Whenever you divide any multiple of 7, like K1, then here is going to be what? Like 8, and then this, how it's going. Like if you say this is 1 is 0, this will be 7, 14, 21. Okay? Like 7 multiply 0 is 0, then 7 multiply 1 is 7, 7 multiply 2, 14, and go on. So when you're talking about the 21, it will be on the first day, which is Monday. Okay, be one day before this one. Or one day before what? Before the first. It's going to be here Monday. Any multiple of 7 is going to be on Monday. So that is mean the 21 is going to be on Monday. Then 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. 26 is going to be on Saturday. This is the way that you could solve it. Or you can follow the other way. They ask you to shade 1/5 of a diagram. If they ask you to shade a fraction of any diagram, what you need to do? You need to count this diagram has got how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It has 10 parts. All what you need to do is what? Just 10 multiply by a fifth. And when you multiply 1 or 10 by fifth, that will be giving you what? It's giving you 2. Other people, they say, Mr. Yes, how is going to be equals to 2? Okay, that could be easy. You could say, just make it like that. 1 multiply 1/5. And when you multiply top is top and bottom is bottom. That's equal to 10/5. And 10/5 is equals to 2. The 2. So you're going to shoot 2 points. The questions after here, number 6, they ask you to draw a rectangle 5 centimeter long and 2 centimeter wide by joining the dots and the grid. Or what you need to do is just what? Take your ruler and join 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 5 part, which is 5 centimeter. And then down, it is the length, the width, 1, 2, it is width. They ask you find the perimeter or the perimeter of the rectangle. Perimeter, we know that we add all the outer sides. This is here 5 and 5, 10, and 2 and 2 are 4. 10 and 4 is 14 centimeter. Here we go, it's 14 centimeter. Number 7, they said a piece of string is 3 meter, 24 centimeter long. It is cut into 2 equal length. How long is each piece? Or what you need to do is what? Like you add them together. I know this is meter and this is centimeter. All of it together, it will give you either like what? 324 centimeter, or it give you 3.24 meter. And then you divide by 2. If you divide them by 2 and you get centimeter, 162 centimeter, you can convert it to meter back. And we know when we like to convert to meter, we divide by 100, which is going to be equal 1.62. Or you can, from the first, like count them as meters. We know 3 meters, 24 centimeters is going to be 3.24 meter. And then divide by 2 is also giving you 1.62. It's the same idea. Go question number 8. We say Abdul records the shoe color of every person in the class. Here are the colors. They say complete the table to show the data. This is the table. Most of them are given. Blue is not given. If you see according to tally, this is 4, and the fifth one will be like crossing all of them. So it's going to be 5. The brown, you need to go and count the brown. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Then you keep going, 4. There are 4 browns, which is 4. After you finish, please add them. 7 and 5, 12, 12 and 4 is equal to 16, 16 and 2 is equal to 18. Then see, are they 18? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 multiplied 2 is 18. Yes, you're right. You did not miss anything. It's important to do this one because if any one of your answer is wrong, it will appear so clearly that is wrong. Which shoe color is the mod? Like your shoe color is the mod, we know that it is the highest frequency or it is the most repeated one. So you can say the highest frequency here is black. but you need to write the color. You write black because some people, they just do mistakes and they write for you 7. And that's really a mistake. That's not correct at all. You need to write black. Write in the missing number. Just what you do, it is what? It is 70 multiply 3. 70 multiply 3. By the way, 70 multiply 3, it just look like 7 multiply 3. But you add 0. It's going to be 210.